Hello, good morning, students. I hope that you will be quite well and studying at your home. Today, my topic is relations and functions. Let's go first. Set. You know that set. Well defined collections of things are called as set. You know these definitions? Let's A and B are two sets. Let's A and B are two sets. You know that A cross B is equal X, Y such that X belong to A and Y belong to B. According to definitions, you know that A cross B is equal XY, ordered pair XY, where X belong to A and Y belong to B. Here, according to these definitions, you find the definitions of relations. Relations. What is the relations? You know that R is the subset of A cross B. In class 12, you study about quality of relations. Quality of relations. Quality of relations. You have three qualities: reflexive, second symmetric, and third transitive. Three qualities of relations: reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. What is the quality? When any relation is called as reflexive, when symmetric, and when transitive. So then you see here relations, three qualities: reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. These relations are such that A tending to A. For reflexive relations, you have AA belong to R. For every A belong to R. Every element of A connected with itself, then this relation is called as reflexive relations. When AB belong to R, then BA belong to R. When these conditions applied in given relations, that relations is called as symmetric relations. When AB belong to R and B, C belong to R, then AC belong to R. These conditions apply in relations. That relations is called as transitive relations, where A, B, C belongs to A. A, B, C is the elements of set A. We see here reflexive, symmetric and transitive. In any relations, when these three qualities represent, then that relation is called as reflexive, symmetric, transitive. That relations is called as equivalence relations. Equivalence relations. Equivalence relations. Equivalence relations. Here, equivalence relations when are such that A tending to B is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Then R is called as equivalence relations. When R such that A tending to B, relations is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, then R is called as equivalence relations. How I solve the questions? You see here. Here in these questions, relations are in set A is equal 1, 2, 3, 13, 14. Defined as relations R is equal x, y such that 3x minus y is equal 0. How you explain? This is reflexive, symmetric, transitive. Check here conditions. Reflexive, symmetric, transitive. So for explanations, you see here A is equal 1, 2, 3, ... 13, 14. Your relations R is equal x, y such that 3x minus y is equal 0. This implies that R is equal 1, 3. According to this rule, you take the ordered pair in set A. You have 1, 3, 2, 6, 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, 4, 12. According to these relations, you find ordered pair R is equal 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, 4, 12. check here conditions. In this relations, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, dot, 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 is not belong to R. This implies that R is not reflexive. Second point, you see here 1, 3 belong to R, but 3, 1 is not belong to R. This implies that R is not symmetric. Third condition, 1, 3 belong to R and 3, 9 belong to R, but 1, 9 is not belong to R. This implies that R is not transitive. So then here see R in set A, R equal xy such that 3x minus y is equal 0. This relation is not reflexive, symmetric, not transitive. Okay? Here, my next topic is functions according to relations. F such that A tending to B is a function if every element of A have unique image in set B. According to definitions, F such that A tending to B is called as functions when every elements of A have unique image in set B.
अरे चालू कर रहा है।
In class 11th, you have read kinds of functions. Kinds of functions. First, 1, 1. Second, many 1. Third, 1, 1 into 4, many 1 onto. These kinds of functions. Here 1, 1 functions is known as injections. and 1 1 on 2, 1 1 on 2 is called as bijections, and onto functions is known as surjections. So here you see a question. So that a function f such that r tending to r given by fx is equal ax plus b, a is equal not 0 is a bijective function. So that this function is bijective functions. Bijective functions, we know that which functions is called as bijective functions, in which function shows that it is the 1 1 and onto, then it's called as bijective functions. For showing 1 1 functions, let x1 x2 belong to R. If fx1 is equal fx2, this implies that ax1 plus b is equal ax2 plus b. ax1 plus b is equal ax2 plus b. This implies that ax1 is equal ax2. This implies that x1 is equal x2. This implies that f is 1 1 functions. F is 1 1 functions. 1 1 functions we show here. We have to show it is bijective. For bijective it is 1 1 and also onto. For showing the onto functions, you see here y is equal fx, y is equal fx is equal ax plus b. Here y is equal ax plus b. This implies that ax is equal y minus b, or x is equal y minus b upon a. In questions you have a is equal not 0. This implies that every elements of set B, here this is also a real number and this is also a real number. This implies that every element of R have pre-image in R. This implies that f such that R tending to R is onto functions. This implies that f is 1 and onto. This implies that f is bijective. Proved. Okay. I will meet you in next topic, compositions of functions. Thank you.